Tucked away in the northern plains of India lies a place that many have yet to discover. In the state of Uttar Pradesh, known for its rich history and vibrant culture, is the city of Bahraich. This city, often overlooked by travelers, holds a unique charm and a wealth of experiences waiting to be uncovered. It's near the border of India and Nepal, making it a melting pot of cultures and traditions from both nations. This city is a mix of history, culture, and beautiful nature. From ancient temples to vibrant festivals, Bahraich offers a glimpse into the heart of India's diverse heritage. Bahraich has something special for every visitor. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or someone looking to relax in nature, you'll find your place here. Let's explore this hidden treasure together. As we wander through its streets, we'll uncover stories of the past and witness the vibrant life of the present. Bahraich is more than just a city. It's a journey through time. The bustling markets, the serene landscapes, and the warm hospitality of its people make it a destination like no other. It's a trip through time. Walking through Bahraich, you'll encounter ancient ruins that whisper tales of bygone eras and monuments that stand as testaments to the city's storied past. From ancient kings and queens to amazing legends, Bahraich's history is rich and fascinating. The stories of valor, love, and devotion are etched into every corner of this city. Bahraich has lots of stories to tell. The locals, with their deep-rooted traditions and folklore, are eager to share the tales that have been passed down through generations. Get ready to be amazed. As you explore Bahraich, you'll find yourself captivated by its beauty, its history, and the warmth of its people. This hidden gem is waiting to be discovered. Bahraich is in a place called the Terai region. It's known for its green plants and lots of different animals. The Ghaghara river, which flows into the Ganges river, goes right through Bahraich, making it even more beautiful. The Terai's good soil helps farmers grow lots of food. The Ghaghara river makes the area pretty and also helps the people living there. Bahraich has a long and interesting history. Nestled in the heart of Uttar Pradesh, this region is a treasure trove of ancient tales and historical significance. The very air here seems to whisper stories of bygone eras, where mighty kingdoms rose and fell, and where battles that shaped the course of history were fought. A long time ago, it was part of a kingdom called Kosala. This ancient kingdom, mentioned in various historical texts and epics, was a significant cultural and political center. The ruins of Kosala still stand today, offering a glimpse into the architectural prowess and the grandeur of a civilization that once thrived here. A big battle happened there in 1034 AD, called the Battle of Bahraich. This battle was a turning point in the region's history, involving thousands of warriors, elephants, and horses. The clash was fierce, and the battlefield echoed with the sounds of war cries and clashing swords. The bravery and strategies employed in this battle are still remembered and studied by historians. It's a very important event in Indian history. The Battle of Bahraich not only determined the fate of the region, but also had far-reaching consequences on the political landscape of India. It is commemorated through various reenactments and monuments that attract visitors and history enthusiasts from all over the country. A respected warrior, Ghazi Sayyid Salar Masud, died in this battle. He's remembered as a valiant leader who fought bravely till his last breath. His tomb in Bahraich has become a place of pilgrimage where people come to pay their respects and seek blessings. His legacy continues to inspire many. This changed the religions in the area and still affects Bahraich's culture today. The aftermath of the battle led to significant cultural and religious transformations in the region. Festivals and ceremonies held in Bahraich reflect this rich tapestry of history and tradition, showcasing the enduring impact of those ancient events on the present-day cultural landscape. Bahraich shows how different religions can live together peacefully in India. This city is a living example of harmony and coexistence, where people from various faiths share their lives and traditions. The streets of Bahraich are filled with the sounds of prayers from temples, mosques, and gurudwaras, creating a unique symphony of spirituality. The city has temples, mosques, and gurudwaras, places of worship for different faiths. Each of these sacred spaces holds a special place in the hearts of the people. The Hindu temples are adorned with intricate carvings and vibrant colors, while the mosques stand tall with their majestic minarets. The Gurudwaras, with their welcoming langars, offer a sense of community and service. People of all these religions live side by side. They walk the same streets, shop at the same markets, and celebrate each other's festivals. This daily interaction fosters a deep sense of mutual respect and understanding. Children from different backgrounds play together, learning about each other's customs and traditions from a young age. This mix of cultures makes Bahraich special. The city is a melting pot of traditions where every festival is celebrated with equal fervor. During Diwali, the streets are lit up with lamps and fireworks, while during Eid, the aroma of delicious feasts fills the air. The Sikh festival of Baisakhi brings vibrant processions and joyful music to the city. Every year, there's a big celebration called the Urs of Hazrat Salar Masood. This event commemorates the life of the revered Sufi saint and attracts thousands of devotees. The preparations for the Urs begin weeks in advance, with the shrine being decorated and special prayers being organized. The atmosphere is charged with devotion and anticipation. People come from all over the world for it. The Urs festival is not just a local event, it is a global gathering of people from different cultures and backgrounds. Tourists and pilgrims alike are drawn to Bahraich to experience the spiritual energy and the sense of unity that the festival brings. The city becomes a hub of cultural exchange and shared experiences. This festival shows how everyone can come together, no matter their beliefs. The Urs of Hazrat Salar Masood is a testament to the power of faith and the beauty of diversity. It is a time when differences are set aside and people come together to celebrate their shared humanity. The festival is a reminder that despite our varied backgrounds, we are all part of one global family. Farming is super important for Bahraich. The Terai region's good soil is perfect for growing lots of different crops, like wheat, rice, sugarcane and mangoes. They also make a special oil from mint plants there. All the food grown in Bahraich feeds the people and helps the whole state of Uttar Pradesh. The smell of freshly picked crops shows how hard the farmers work. Bahraich has many cool places to visit. The most famous is the Dargah-e-Sharif of Hazrat Salar Masood, a special shrine that millions of people visit every year. The Nawabganj Bird Sanctuary is great for bird lovers. The Ghaghara River is beautiful, and you can even take a boat ride. If you like history, you can explore old ruins and temples all around the city. It's easy to get to Bahraich by road or train. The city has a train station with trains going to other big cities in Uttar Pradesh. The closest airport is in Lucknow, about 130 kilometers away. It's easy to get to Bahraich, and once you're there, it's easy to get around and see all the interesting sights. Bahraich loves to celebrate. The festivals show the city's exciting culture and traditions. Diwali, Holi and Eid are big celebrations. The biggest festival is the Urs of Hazrat Salar Masood. During festivals, Bahraich is full of color, lights and music. It's a really fun experience. Bahraich has something for everyone. Whether you like history, nature, or learning about different religions, you'll love Bahraich. Come and explore this hidden treasure. It's a place you'll remember long after you leave, thanks to the friendly people and rich history.